This is a 2017 Chevy Silverado. It's got the 5.3 V8, the high country package. Did this one a little different. Some duals out the side with some nice squared, kind of angled, rolled tips, as you can see. Did do a cat back system with the factory catalytic converters. Back to a Magnaflow muffler. Little single end dual out. Just give it a little mild tone. That's what the customer's looking for.